It's your boy OG Rag, bro. Back out with the two SEX 10.3s. And I did some upgrades to the early Bronco. You can see one of the upgrades is I did a Radiolink. So I did start on electronics in this Bronco. And I bought the Gladiator out so I can show you some comparisons. And guess what I did for a power plant? Alright, we got the top spot. And in the early Bronco, for a power plant, we went with the Fusion SE. Got a 12-tooth pinion on there. I think that's what I had on there first. On that brush motor. And also, I hooked up the 2-speed. Took out that 2-in-1 receiver ESC combo and got the Radiolink RC4 GS. Kind of wish I would have went on, spent the extra 20, went with the 6. But anyway, and like I say, I also got the 2-speed hooked up now. And still got the dig. Still rocking the stock dig servo. This just a little cheap. $29, like $30 micro servo from WP. But yeah, I'm gonna show you some of the differences besides the menu of the Fusion SE. And you see here, you just got the steel solid sealed case. And this has the Fusion Pro in it, 2300 kV. That is a 1200 kV. But a lot of differences, few differences. This is very fast, a lot faster compared to this. Not just because of the kV, but also because of some of the settings. Also in my in my Gladiator, I put on a winch. Got the winch hook back in there. Alright guys, I'll get the tops, put it back on, and give you some comparison running videos. Alright guys, finally got the tops back on. I really got to do something about these, get the quick, the flip magnet tops or something. This is ridiculous, about 15 minutes later. But anyway, and you can see the Gladiator. I got the Club5 Pillar Lights. I added those, and don't really care for them. They look okay. I think it was a poorly executed installation. I think I did a bad job, but they work. Might look good on camera, but it's a lot of imperfections. I don't know if you can see the gap, no quite contour with the body. Did a much better job on this side. The lenses I had to glue in. I don't know how the hell you're supposed to, I don't know how you're supposed to keep them lenses in. I ended up gluing them in, bonded. But anyway, let's get it. Like I said, the Gladiator is rocking the Fusion Pro, and this one is rocking the Fusion SE. I'm going to do some comparison run videos. Let's see how they do. Alright guys, that's about it. And I know I'm a little late to the party on the Radiolink RC4GS, but that thing is awesome. I'm gonna do a review and like show you how to set up the channels and all that stuff, because there's no real clear videos on that. But as for now, that's it. Hope you guys like them Club5 Pillar Lights. I'm on the fence about them, but they there to stay, that's for damn sure. And tell me what you think about the Fusion Pro. And 2-speed may have been I'm sorry about the Fusion SC. 2-speed might have been a waste of speed on this, but had to do it anyway. Couldn't live with the option being in the trans and not activating it. But it does make it a little faster. But guys, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell. See you guys next time with some more electronics upgrades on the Bronco. I think we're going for the servos. See you next time.